Today I'm going to teach you how to report a gig on Fiverr. Whether you've encountered suspicious activity, copyright infringement, or a gig that violates Fiverr's terms of service, knowing how to properly report it helps maintain the platform's integrity and protects both buyers and sellers. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Now, here's an important note before we proceed. The gig we'll be reporting in this example is purely for demonstration purposes. This process should only be used when you genuinely encounter a gig that violates Fiverr's policies, not for reporting gigs randomly or unfairly. With that out of the way, look at the top of the page where you'll find the search bar. This is where you'll type in either a general keyword related to the gig or the exact gig name if you already know it. After typing, press Enter to search. The search results will appear displaying various gigs that match your query. From these results, click on the specific gig you want to report. This will open the gig's full page where you can view all the details about the service being offered. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the gig page. You'll see 3 dotted lines, which is the options menu. Click on these dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Report an Issue. This option is specifically designed for reporting gigs that you believe violate Fiverr's guidelines or policies. Once you click that, you'll be taken to a page where you need to select the specific issue you're reporting. Fiverr provides a list of common violations such as spam, inappropriate content, intellectual property concerns, or misleading information. Choose the one that best matches your reason for reporting, then click Next to proceed. On the following page, you'll need to answer all the required information. This might include providing specific details about why you're reporting the gig, any evidence you have, or additional context that helps Fiverr's team understand the situation. Be as thorough and honest as possible, as this information helps their review process. After filling out all the necessary fields, you'll see a checkbox beside the text that says, "I am submitting this report." Make sure to check this box as it confirms that you understand the reporting process and are submitting your report in good faith. Finally, click Submit Report to send your report to Fiverr's team for review. They will investigate the issue and take appropriate action if the gig indeed violates their policies. And that's it. You've successfully reported a gig on Fiverr. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.